recently, and you just launched at Harrods.
Yep.
Woo, that's big time. So Dr. Gross is here. I asked him to swing by. I was just at his office in New York a few weeks ago. He is bringing you a trio because I said to him, listen, A, red carpet is coming. We're celebrating the Oscars. Everyone wants the red carpet glow. So what would you recommend to get that? And then B, this extraordinary dermatologist who every day wears a white lab coat and actually practices on Fifth Avenue and actually has done research at Sloan Kettering in New York City. You actually were just recently part of a huge article about this concept that is apparently highly trendy, and it's called skin exhaustion.
Yes, it is.
It means people are noticing that they look in the mirror and their skin is fatigued.
It's so true. People are really talking about tired skin, and I hear it in my office all the time. The key thing for tired skin, retinol, and these are advanced retinol products that really, we have products for the face and for the neck. They bring back younger, beautiful looking skin. They help get rid of that tired, exhausted look that's a part of the aging process.
So here's the deal. It's a 3-piece collection. It's a brand new world launch trio. It's a $300 collection. You're saving $100 and about, if I do quick math, $70 from really what it's worth versus what you're paying. And you're getting a total trio of retinol, but by the way, it is powered by what Dr. Gross calls his kind of booster approach to retinol, and yet all the while gentle. So you're gonna get right here, these are his world famous, award-winning retinol wrinkle recovery peel pads. You are getting 24 of those peel pads, and we use them how often? So what kind of a supply
week.
Is that?
That's a 3-month supply.
So everything. 3-month supply. Then over here, let it be said, you are getting the neck emulsion, fortified with, powered by retinol, and then my favorite, the retinol liquid brightening solution. This trio, which is incredible for rejuvenating skin, and they are products I swear by, does this. Cue the before and afters to your skin, which is crazy.
Look at the upper lip. This is an example of what I see in my office. So many people are trying to make those upper lip lines look better. They complain that their lipstick runs up there. They put makeup on to cover it and the makeup settles into there. 14 days using this 3-piece delivery system, you're going to see an incredible difference in the upper lip lines, a challenging area. We found a way to make it better. This is the retinol solution that did that. Just a few drops per day, that's all you need. The next photo, look at the forehead in this person. You see deep lines, you see wrinkles, you see uneven skin tone, you see dullness, the skin looks tired. 14 days later, this is by using these peel pads you're going to get just twice a week. As this is just using that product 4 times, the difference is amazing. For uneven skin tones are better, the skin is smooth, the skin is soft, those lines and wrinkles look so much better. The skin looks younger and brighter. That's because we take retinol, that tried and true anti-aging ingredient that so many people, myself included, dermatologists around the world, it's the #1 anti-aging ingredient that will make your skin look younger, brighter, and then we boosted it by combining it with ferulic acid. The 2 ingredients together takes retinol to the next level, so it works on uneven skin tones, pores, and those lines and wrinkles.
So I have so many things, and we're going to go through the collection, but I just want you to know, A, the solution is amazing. I use it every single day. It's very weird and cool because it basically is a vial full of what looks like cloudy water. Retinol to me never normally looks like this. Normally it's greasy and creamy and white, and by the way, it can be very dense and also very reactive to your skin. This actually is super gentle, feels like water, boom, done, clean, dry skin. But wait, this entire collection also includes almost $150 value on its own of the peel pads, which are the very first thing he ever invented as he was pioneering his skincare line, and then the neck emulsion, because the face skin wants to match the neck skin. All the skin needs to be picked up in a huge way, and I know your retinol is special in that it's not scary, it's gentle, and we're about to dive into why.
You bet, and the reason is because I combine it with ferulic acid, which is another powerful anti-aging ingredient that really is an antioxidant that works on lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tones. It's the combination of the 2 that make this a completely different and advanced formula of retinol. For example, if you use this anti-aging this serum, just a few drops per day, that's all you need. You put it on under your makeup. It firms the skin, it smooths the texture of your face so that when you put your makeup on, it glides right over. Your lines and wrinkles look better. Makeup is the icing on the cake because now it won't settle into those fine lines and wrinkles. Twice a week, we have these peel pads. This has been a game changer because it's a brand new way to peel. Peeling is the #1 way I find as a dermatologist. I've seen over 100,000 patients in my career. It's the #1 way to overhaul your skin without a downtime quickly. When you put this on just twice a week, your skin is firmer, your skin is smoother, uneven skin tones look better. And here we have, Christine, look at the when she's going to apply this.
Yep.
She just came back from her vacation, and what we found was that she started to have little uneven skin tones here because she was in the sun, some fine lines and wrinkles here by her eyes, and her skin was sallow. The sun really can sap your skin of its vitality. Apply these pads just twice a week. That's how simple it is. It restores that youthful look, gets rid of that tired look, and you can see how bright and invigorated her skin looks right away. It brightens your skin.
We have before and afters, but I just want to say, of the products that I use and love, the only retinol that I use is Dr. Gross, because I'm not afraid of it. It doesn't cost a fortune. It's invented by a dermatologist. And across this trio system, which is the twice-a-week peel, the neck emulsion, and the brightening serum, this is entire face, décolleté, and neck, and it's all powered by retinol. And here again are the pictures of what it does, but you never look super red or reactive. You never are afraid when it touches the skin that you're going to need downtime. It's somehow this crazy clinical grade that in the power of your hands does this.
Right, look at that. Those lines on the upper lip has been such a challenge. Whether you do cosmetic procedures in my office, whether you'll have nothing to do with it, this is a product that's going to make those lines and wrinkles all over your face, including, the reason I show this is after 14 days, the solution helps these lines and wrinkles look better. If it works on the upper lip, believe me, it's going to work on your entire face because this is the most challenging area I as a dermatologist find.
Look at
the uneven skin tones on her forehead, you see those, the deep lines and wrinkles. In just 14 days, how much smoother, how much firmer her skin is, the radiance you see, it's astounding.
Sidebar, if you talk to Dr. G, if you're friends with him, if you live in his building, if you're one of the kind of soccer moms that he sees on the soccer field who actually then goes to him as a patient, he will tell you what you're seeing on your screen right now cannot be achieved by something other than A, gosh, invasive means, or
That's
B,
true.
retinol.
That's correct.
SPF and retinol are the two gold standards for a dermatologist. There's a reason why retinol used to be by prescription. There's a reason why everyone talks still about retinol and the things it can do that any other potion and lotion cannot. Now, here's a good idea.
Right.
Take a look at the 2 weeks here. Now, what are we focusing on, the chin?
Look at the chin. Look at the uneven skin tone. Look at her red skin. People think retinol is harsh. As a dermatologist, I have nothing to do with that. I make sure it's always gentle. That's part of the breakthrough. Retinol has even helped this person's uneven skin tones. And then we have a neck cream. This is something you use at night. It's a lightweight, super hydrating product that's going to be specific for the neck. Those lines that come across the neck in 4 weeks. It takes a little longer because those lines are a little deeper, but we have something for the neck. This is retinol and ferulic acid in what's called a lactic acid delivery system, specially made for the neck. You need your own dedicated neck product. The neck skin is different than the face, so this is a product, and if you're just moisturizing your skin, that's not enough. Your neck needs that kind of retinol and ferulic in a special delivery system. What I tell my patients all the time is if you pinch your neck and then pinch your cheek, you can actually feel there's a texture difference between the two. The skin of your neck is different. You need to have a specific neck product that has a delivery system for your neck.
He's so smart.
And ferulic acid for the neck. You see the craziness is better.
You taught me that thing. I teach now people the pinch test.
It's such a good thing.
He's an incredible dermatological surgeon. I mean, the man used to work purely in the skin cancer, melanoma, that field. The line that he has made here, which is the Dennis Gross line, that now, of course, is global, right? We just talked about London, Norway, Sweden, I mean, the world, is an exceptional dermatological clinical grade line. This is his retinol. And I am telling you, if you are not using retinol, my gosh, you are missing the boat on what your skin could look like. And I don't just mean fine lines and wrinkles, which we can show the before and afters again if you want, because just those two alone are crazy in what can happen in 2 weeks, and you don't even feel it happening. You can also log in the Easy Pay on this $300 collection, which is your anti-aging serum, your neck emulsion, and your twice-a-week peel pads. The peel pads on their own are almost $150. If you use another brand moisturizer, if you love a certain cleanser, if you're keen on somebody else's eye cream, keep using everything that you're using, even from non-Dr. G brand, but just get retinol into your daily routine. This is the exact one I use. And here's the picture proof. By the way, Carmelita, we're coming, but I have to show these two pictures again because this is huge. 2 weeks.
That's right.
This is what his retinol does.
That's right. This is the power of retinol made gentle, then boosted with ferulic acid. The deep lines on her upper lip in just 14 days using the brightening solution is going to make the lines and wrinkles look so much better. Your makeup will work better. Makeup is the icing on the cake. It's going to fail you if you just use it as an anti-aging product. That's not what it's intended to do. It just gives you that beautiful coverage. How about the forehead? The uneven skin tones in 14 days look better. Her skin has gone from dull to radiant. Those deep lines that etch across her forehead, firmed out, smooth. She has that beautiful look of less lines and wrinkles. The chin in this person, she complained of redness.
It changes the texture and the color. Everything about the skin. I mean, it's like a complete resurfacing.
It's a soothing product. That's the amazing thing.
It's not a hoax. Retinol is a magical, it's a magical thing.
And
but Dr. G knows, I've told him this before, it can be really scary.
It can be. But as a dermatologist, I have nothing to do with harshness. This is what I did. The neck product, 4 weeks, the lines that run across your neck, they look better. The crepey texture. People want something hydrating, and that's what this is, but it's not sticky. It's lightweight, so your hair won't stick to your neck because that's been a problem. Your clothing doesn't break you out. It's breathable. And the difference when you start to have a beautiful skin of your face and your neck, the entire appearance, face plus neck, that's why I included this neck. It's transformative, and that's why we have all three of these products in this kit.
Carmelita is calling from California. I think she's trying either your line or at least this collection for the first time. Well, I know this collection because it's new. Carmelita?
Yes.
Hi, nice to have you. I'm Sean, and this is Dr. Dennis Gross from New York City. And have you ever tried his brand before?
No, I have not.
Oh,
great.
Really nice to have you. So what kind of catapulted you to the phone tonight to try it?
Well, I'm 80 years old, and I have the wrinkles above my upper lip.
Right.
And that definitely ages me, and the skin on my neck absolutely ages me.
That's right.
I mean, I have to adjust the fact that I'm 80, but I don't want to look 80.
Carmelita, you won't look 80. This is something I've designed. I have patients who complain about their skin looking tired in their 30s, in their 70s, and I have had patients in their 80s in my office, same exam room that you were in, Sean. These are products that contain retinol, that tried and true anti-aging ingredient that is one of the most important, if not the most important ingredient to get into your regimen, that's taken to the next level and made advanced by combining it with ferulic acid, which is an antioxidant. And it turns out you need both ingredients because retinol is not an antioxidant. That's why I included the two together. And yet it's gentle. If you're 80 years old, your skin is sensitive. I'm aware of that. These are products that are going to make your face and your neck have that beautiful, soft, smooth texture, and lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tones, even pores look better.
Carmelita, listen, I'm going to have Dr. Gross, before we say goodbye to you, just remind you about how you're using the system, just so you're clear. So Dr. G, there's peel pads, there's neck, and there's face. How does she do this?
It's very simple. In the morning, clean, dry skin, take a few drops of the solution into your palm and just massage it onto your face. It goes on quick. If you wear makeup, it goes on over that.
Every day?
Every single day. And every single night, your neck cream gets a treatment to moisturize it and to make that surface smoother. And then twice a week, take out the pad and apply this pad over your entire face. It's a big pad, so you have enough product to put on your neck as well, even on your décolleté. Just twice a week. I tell my patients, I like Sundays and Wednesday nights because it's easy to remember.
Oh, great.
It's just that simple. Sunday, Wednesday, do your peel at night, and then you put on your neck cream, and every morning, just after you washed your face, put on just a few drops of this liquid serum. It's a game changer.
Carmelita, thank you, and good luck with it. I love him and his line and his retinol, so I have a feeling you will too. Take care.
Well, thank you so much.
You bet.
Bye. Over 500, thank you, Dr. Gross.
Sure.
Over 500 of these collections have been spoken for. It's a 300